Nestled on a sprawling 3-acre lot in Lincoln, Nebraska, 7111, Travis Drive offers a unique blend of spacious living and modern amenities. This 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom ranch-style home encompasses 4,714 square feet of thoughtfully designed space, providing ample room for both relaxation and entertainment. Main features: expansive living space. The main floor spans 2,714 square feet, complemented by an additional 2,000 square feet in the finished basement, ensuring plenty of room for family activities and gatherings. Energy-efficient construction. Built in 2000, the home boasts 10-inch thick insulated concrete form walls on both the main and basement levels, enhancing energy efficiency and ensuring a quiet interior environment. Modern amenities. The property includes a large steel outbuilding, perfect for storage or as a workshop, catering to a variety of needs. Prime location, situated within city limits, residents can enjoy the tranquility of Acreage Living while benefiting from easy access to urban amenities. Priced at $1,299,000, 7111, Travis Drive presents a rare opportunity to own a substantial piece of property that combines the best of rural and city living. Its thoughtful design, energy-efficient features, and prime location make it a standout choice for those seeking a harmonious blend of comfort and convenience in Lincoln, Nebraska.